I'm Roland.
I'm Julianna.
And we're getting ready to ride our bikes across the country. I mean, we've been wanting to do this for a long time. We've been planning for months and months.
Yeah.
The last few weeks have been really strange. Julianna got a cat bite from one of her cats.
You can see the hand on your left is just as swollen as can be. It's getting worse by the minute.
Got an infection in my CMC joint.
Yeah, and it exacerbated the arthritis that's going on in there. So the infection's all gone, but the arthritis is still there. She's still hurting. We haven't really been able to train.
But I'm going.
We're going to be training on the way as we go and take our time and to get up our speed and get up our strength.
Nice to be out of the car and finally pedaling.
Right now, just hoping for the best. As soon as we're done with this video, we are going to head west. We're going to go to Glenwood Springs and spend the night with my daughter, Bailey.
Hey, Bailey.
Hi.
And then she's going to join us and driving out to the West Coast, to La Push, Washington. She offered to drive the car home, which is awesome. Thank you, Bailey.
That's cool. Yeah, that is really cool.
I appreciate that so much. You'll never know what a big deal that is. And we're going to have so much fun just going out there. We'll do some rides.
There will come a day when the strength of men fails. But it is not this day. Today, we ride.
So we have a lot to overcome. We've got 4,000 miles that we got to ride. And that's over mountain range after mountain range, through forests and through deserts, and across the entire United States. And then a lot of people say it's dangerous out there. You can't trust people, and there's all these fears. And I always find that when you put yourself out there, it pays back. It comes down to kind of trust, to have the faith to say, let's just go ahead and do it. And we're going to find out just how fabulous this can be. And that's a
Pretty tall order.
So let's ride.
Bon voyage. Happy trails.
All right. Here we go.
Here we go. Wow.
So we headed west, picking up Bailey in Glenwood Springs along the way. Driving through the vast and empty expanse, I'd have to say it left both Julianna and I feeling a bit intimidated by the task at hand. But we had a fabulous time, the three of us, crossing mile after mile of the drought-stricken American West.
There's a July 4th fire right there.
How quickly it catches.
The first night found us camping along the Snake River at Massacre Rocks in the high desert of Idaho. I've kind of fantasized about just camping along the Snake River for years, since I ever saw the Snake River for the first time. And we're just sitting here on this afternoon sun, enjoying the day, enjoying the drive.
Drinking cold bubbly water in the hot sun.
In a place like this, it's hard not to think about the pioneers who followed the Oregon Trail through here, a dangerous and desperate journey that makes our cross-country trip look ridiculously easy by comparison.
Oh my God, that was a fish. It jumped out of the water. I saw it with my own eyes. It was really small.
By the second night, we reached the Deschutes River in Oregon.
We are in Deschutes State Recreation Area. It's a windy, warm day just outside of Columbia River Gorge. And it's gorgeous. Beautiful campground, nice grassy spot to put our tent, and heading west. Been a rough day, kind of driving all day long ever since Massacre Rock, and road weary, really road weary. And, it's funny, you never get this road weary when you're on the bike, but just got a nice shower here at the campground and feel like $1 million. But beautiful view. Take a look.
trip out west. I guess maybe day 3. It's a little before 6 o'clock here. Beautiful sunrise this morning. And a lovely time to be awake and alive.
We're here at the Columbia River Gorge. This is a trail that's kind of working on being completed. It used to be like an old highway. It was one of the first scenic highways, or it was made for things like Model Ts. And now it's just too skinny to be used for anything but bikes.
The gorges are gorgeous.
That's
Gorgeous,
right.
gorgeous.
Good feeling.
We attempted to earn our cycling legs back on the nearby Columbia River Gorge Trail in Oregon.
Girl, you gotta carry that weight. Carry that weight a long time.
I like to ride my bicycle. I want to ride my bike.
What a day! It's gorgeous out here!
Look, Pa, no hands. Ah!
What makes this such a beautiful thing is we've just been driving through the desert for about 2 solid days, and we just rode into the western side of Oregon, which is all this stuff that you can see. All
the
this
desert.
beautiful green stuff, foliage everywhere, beautiful.
What a view.
When people hear we ride tandem, they say, "Don't you get sick of that guy on the way?" Are you kidding me, guys? You look at those guys.
I could stare at that view all damn day. That's it. Check this out. Nice strong current, beautiful sunny day. It's beautiful. It's inviting.
What's cool along this trail is all these waterfalls everywhere you stop. Here you can see it just coming right through the cliffside here. And a little cave just comes pouring down and down and down. So now we're on a new part of the trail and follows the interstate, as you can kind of see. But, you know, still beautiful views. Let's see where it takes us. So this first stretch of the trail is really awesome. It's just very foresty, and all the time you're looking down at the Columbia River. Just a fabulous ride, and so smooth, and such a great setup here. Nice work. Oregon's really done well with this. Hopefully they can connect all these dots, make it all kind of work.
It's a beautiful forest here. It's like elven, magical. The smell is all balsam. It's so incredible. Just love it.
What do you think of the day, baby?
It's a great day.
Gives us a nice little taste of what this is all about, huh?
Lush forests and the moss on the trees and beautiful light between the forest.
Sun rays beaming through the trees.
So clean and clear.
Yeah.
Waterfalls.
And waterfalls.
That's right, baby.
Further west, we stayed at a friend of Julianna's on the Hood Canal in Washington, appreciating the quality time with family as much as the spectacular scenery.
It's the perfect thing for after a long road trip, isn't it?
It is.
Just
It is, and it's really only just beginning. Thank you, Linda.
Well,
Thank you, Greg.
you know, I kind of just live for these moments when everything is just perfect. This is kind of the way that you imagine it, you know? This is what it's supposed to feel like.
I have to admit the idea of crossing the continent was weighing heavy on me. I'd never attempted anything like what we were about to do, but hanging out by the water, surrounded by the beauty and light of a beautiful evening, I began to truly feel the joy and anticipation of what we were diving into. This was going to be an amazing experience.
We're on the tip of Port Townsend. We're looking for otters. We heard somebody say that they had just seen some sea otters.
Right down here. See him?
Yep. Well, I wonder what he's chewing on.
Hey, daddy and a baby. They're just like water weasels, but they're so cute.
I know, that's all they are, but they're awesome.
Mom and dad and a baby.
Yeah.
That's a little baby. See the baby?
Adorable, can you possibly be? My God.
Our last day with Bailey was spent in and around Port Townsend on the Olympic Peninsula of Washington, stretching our legs along the Straits of Juan de Fuca, a last warm-up ride before we embark upon the real thing tomorrow.
Where is our place again?
Port Townsend Inn.
So all of this gear fits in your panniers.
On my bike. This is everything.
This is all just yours.
This is just mine.
This is just Julianna's, and this will fit in 2 front panniers, 2 rear panniers, a rear bag, and a front handlebar bag.
Wow.
Although we enjoyed this lovely coastal town, we were ready for tomorrow when we drive to La Push and nearby Rialto Beach, where our journey begins for real.
She's fierce.
You're really doing it.
So wish us luck.
Happy trails.
Trails, that's right.
You guys want to join us? We're gonna cross the country. You already went camping.
Yeah, we camped the other day. We went to Massacre.
Oh, I bet that was a lot of fun.
I didn't finish first grade.
Uh-huh.
I got lots of
Break.
I got lots of
That's. He needs
He's
some
soft.
pets. He is soft.
I got lots of stuff too.
Yeah.
I got lots of
Break.
I got lots of
This is the back brake. This is the front brake. See how it works? You're smart. Pretty cool, huh? You want to ring the bell? Ring the bell. There you go.
There it is.
Okay, everybody ring it for good luck.
And finally, after so much talk and self-made promises, after so much planning and
Safe
anticipation,
travels.
and after our fabulous road trip with Bailey, we would embark upon what is at this point in our lives the trip of a lifetime.